Imagine having the power to secure your home or business with just a few simple steps. No complex wiring, no professional help needed. Wireless security cameras are revolutionizing home and small business security with their flexibility and ease of installation. When choosing the best wireless security camera, consider video quality, battery life, motion detection, and night vision. Top-rated options include the Arlo Pro 4 for its excellent video quality and smart home integration. The Google Nest Cam stands out with advanced motion detection and 24/7 video recording. The Ring Stick Up Cam is popular for its ease of use and built-in siren, while the EufyCam 2C offers great battery life and local storage. To install a wireless security camera, start by choosing a location that covers key entry points or large spaces. Mount the camera using the included bracket, ensuring it's securely attached to the wall, ceiling, or other surfaces. Power the camera with batteries or solar panels, connect it to your Wi-Fi, and install the mobile app to control it remotely. Regularly monitor and maintain your camera to ensure it stays powered, and customize alerts to keep your property secure. Secure your peace of mind with wireless security cameras today. For help with a professional-grade wired system, visit our online store at www.secureviewcameras.com. We can also help with installation.